So we cannot go on with this. We cannot go on with this. We are running out of resources. Till last night, 11 o'clock, I was trying to get an appointment with CM, but somehow it did not connect. So we are in a situation where the last sector also is getting disturbed. That is the mental sector. They are throwing every month. They are got target to throw out 30 people. Come what may. The doctors are putting the blame on the board, and the board is putting the blame on the doctors. Doctor says fit for discharge because he's got a target to empty the beds. He sent it to the board. Judge Ashley Norona and his team is there. They say fit for discharge. Doctor has recommended. Again, the patient comes inside. So by raising these questions in the assembly has not solved any problem. It is the same problems. It is the same situation. It is getting worse. Even police are not picking up people. Where will they put? Even we are not taking people. Now only last month, January, we have taken 12 people or 11 people out of on humanitarian grounds. So we need to meet CM today with these ladies and tell CM, Baba, you have called them your daughters, you have called them your sisters and your mothers when we visited you on 2nd of October 2024. But you are not treating them like that. You are treating them like they don't belong to society. Just because they are suffering with disability doesn't mean you'll throw them out and they got no return value.
See, I have two acts before me. Everything is self-explanatory. Has been decided on these two acts. Now, we will have to take a decision whether we should penalize the Goa government based on these acts and go to the court and get relief, or the minister has to bow down and do what is required for people with mental disabilities and also persons with disabilities. So these two acts, we will have to act. We will do it, and we will prove that we are right, and we are fighting for the good reason. Such people don't deserve to be brought onto the streets again and again. परत तांकां हेचेर हाडपाक रस्त्यार हाडपाक आमचे कडेन ते जायना आनी आमकां कितले ट्रान्सपोर्टाक पासून आमी कितले त्रास काडटात पूण तांकां हाडटा कित्याक आमी दाखोवपाक की बाबा तो मिनिस्टर सांगता ना हेंकोडाक कांय ना हेंकोडाक कोण ना आनीक हाडपाक जावंक शकता पूण आमी हाडिना थोडे जाण पेशंट दुयेंत आसा हे अशें कित्याक करता तुमी Why is it so that the minister does not have a heart of compassion to such people? कित्याक ताका दुखा ना मनीस न्हू तूं तुजें मनशापण एटलीस्ट मनशापण तरी सांबाळ असलें करप परत अशें करप
ही परिस्थिती तांकां सुद्दां आयज प्रोटेस्ट करपा लागून हक्काक लागून तांकां येवन हांगासर बसचें पडटा आनी हांगासर बसल्या उपरांत तेंची हालत पळय टू जावन कॉन्शियस लिटल वायट म्हळ्यार आज म्हाका एक कळना की हे जे इलेक्ट जावन रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स असेंब्लीन वयता आनी असेंब्लीन जे डिस्कशनां जाता तेजेर तुमी मात तरी अभ्यास करता आनी ताच्या नंतर इम्प्लिमेंटेशन जाता ते भशेन 2 वर्सां जाले सांगलेल्याक हे डिस्कस केल्ल्याक की हांगासर प्रोविजन ना म्हणून आनी जाल्यार तर प्रोविजन ना जाल्यार बजेट ना पयसो ना 25 कोटी मोडपाक मॉला कडेन तुमचे कडेन पयसो आसा 25 crores has been spent already but you do not have this money to build another IPHB नाजाल्यार आनी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वाडोवपा खातीर तुम्ही लोकांक भायर काडटा भायर सोडलेले आसतना परत हाडटा परत मागीर तांकां बस स्टँडार बसचें पडटा बस स्टँडार धरता वॉट इज दीस नॉनसेन्स पैसे खंय वयता रे 30,000 कोटीचो बजेट आसा मरे वर्साक useless ministers sitting in the assembly म्हाका जाल्यार दिसता सुभाष फळदेसाय हॅव टू मोर कॉन्सन्ट्रेट ऑन दिस सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंट सोशल जे काम आसता पळय लोकांचे तेजेर फोकस करपाक जाय न्हू ते स्टॅच्यू घालपाक यू आर बिझी इन पुटिंग अप स्टॅच्यूज इन द क्रिश्चन एरियाज स्टॉप दिस नॉनसेन्स फोकस ऑन द राईट इश्यूज आज तांकां येवन तुमी हांगासर बसोवचे पळय तेजी बायलेची हालत पळय ती सी द सिच्युएशन मुद्दम जस्ट फोकस दे पळया तेंची मात तरी दूख घ्या रे मात तरी दुःख घे रे. प्रत्येक फॅमिलीन मरे आमचे कोण ना कोण बरी ना जाता पळय तेन्ना आमकां खबर आसता कितें प्रॉब्लेम ते. एटलीस्ट सुभाष फळदेसाय शूड नेवर फॉरगेट. I will pray that Subhash Faldesai's daughter get well soon. बरे उरचे म्हणून बरे जावचे म्हणून हांव सदांच देवाकडे मागता. पूण ताणें बीन चिंतपाक जाय बाकीचे लोकांचे, बाकीचे जे मेंटल पेशंट्स आसा, फिजिकली चॅलेंज पेशंट आसा, यांचे चिंतचे ताणें. बेस्ट मिनिस्ट्री घेवन बसनाका. इफ यू कॅनॉट फंक्शन, इफ यू कॅनॉट वर्क फॉर द पीपल, देन प्लीज रिजाइन फ्रॉम दॅट पोर्टफोलिओ. अँड चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रमोद सावंत, हांव इतलें सांगूंक सोदतां, तू जे त्या पोर्टफोलिओ आपल्या भावाक लागून तो पोर्टफोलिओ तेजे कडेन दिल्लो आहा पळय, ते भावाचे रिलेशन बंद करात. हुएवर इज केपेबल इन 33 आमदार जे आसा, ती 33 आमदार आहा, त्या 33 आमदारान कोण केपेबल आसा पळय आनी ताका कन्सर्न आसा पळय, एटलीस्ट मातशी, हांव म्हणना 100%, एटलीस्ट 10% कन्सर्न आहा असल्या लोकां खातीर ताका पोर्टफोलिओ दियात. ताका पोर्टफोलिओ दियात. दिस इज नॉनसेन्स, टोटली रेडिक्युलस. आयज सकाळी जेन्ना हांवें आयकलें बाबा आर्थूर बाबा कडेन की सकाळी प्रोटेस्ट येता म्हणून आझाद मैदानाक, आनी कोणाक घेवन असल्या लोकांक, हूज आर पेशंट्स, who are patients. How can you bring these people here, man? ह्यांका ह्या लोकांक हांगासर हाडप, हांगा हाडप, म्हाका सांग, विचार करा ताजेर, मात तरी विचार करात.
I'll show you one letter. It is clearly written, there is no provision for shelter home for women on the street, and this lady is living on the street last 12 years. So let her live on the street. And where is the money gone which the CM has given in the budget? From that budget you have taken out some money, 50 lakhs, and given us 6 months back. So what about the balance money?
सगळं करप्शन, सगळं करप्शन.
अरे तुम्ही स्वतः
आणि काल म्हणता तुम्ही आमचो दामू नाईक इज सेइंग देयर इज नो करप्शन. नो करप्शन जाल्यार बजेट एलोकेट केल्लो आसा तेन्ना अशे लोक रस्त्यार कित्याक पडटा रे?
आम्ही तर एक व्हिडिओ प्ले करीत न्हू, फक्त एकूच व्हिडिओ प्ले करीत विथ ऑडिओ, व्हिज्युअल, एवरीथिंग. इट कॅनॉट बी AI, बिकॉज देर आर मेनी पीपल इन दॅट व्हिडिओ. करप्शन विल कम आउट. आम्ही ते प्रॉमिस केला, आम्ही प्ले करचे ना, आम्ही झगडटले, बट वी विल नॉट गो टू दॅट लेवल टू पुट द व्हिडिओ आउट. And the person who has on that video, he has confessed to his boss, yes, I have said like that. तो म्हणटा मरे CM आपल्याचे बॉसला, आणि तो मिनिस्टर चोर म्हणटा. तो इतले पयशे ताणें काडला ह्याच्या नांवान त्याच्या नांवान, कितें कितें सांगता तो, आनी ओला सांगता रेकॉर्ड कर. See, we cannot go ahead. We have to meet CM today. See, today we have brought only 10 people. We were supposed to bring 200 people and come. Half of them are stressed at you. So that's why we didn't bring 200 people.
नो, आता कितें करया ना मरे, तांकां आतां प्रत्येक फावटी लोकांनी भायर सरपाचें जाल्यार आतां हे व्हरता आनी मिनिस्टराच्या दारान बसयता. तांकां व्हरपाचें आनी मिनिस्टराच्या दारान बसोवया, मिनिस्टर दारान बसोवया. कित्याक लागून हांगासर हाडपाक जाय आझाद मैदानाचेर? नेक्स्ट टायम बी केअरफुल. हे तर इश्यू तर रिझॉल्व जायना न्ही. यू गिव द स्टेटमेंट.
See, we are saying what? You don't have the money now. Don't give us the money. You all siphon off the money. No problem. Okay, we'll manage. What we have to do, we'll manage. Give us a system. Today we don't have a system. 3 years back, the current SP, Harish Madkaikar, he was that time DYSP. He and Rajan Prabhudesai, who has also become now SP, had a meeting with me, with Guru Pavaskar, who is the Disability Commissioner. Both these people told directly Guru Pavaskar, we are not even supposed to talk to you because you have not notified the homes for persons with disability, which is called midway homes. 3 years have passed. I am eating Guru's brains up. I am eating the director's brains up. We are eating the minister's brains up. We are eating CM's brains up. Where is the system? Where is the system?